Guys, I have a trick to remove this well-known plug on a bowl of a Holley that is unfortunately leaking. I took my grinding wheel and removed all the pot metal around here because my idea was to remove the O-ring and install the plug again. And I don't know how to remove it, so I tried it with a putty knife, but I had no chance, and I looked inside and I thought maybe I can get inside with some handle, but I figured out maybe you can give it a try. I took two ball bearing bolts, and then I took this Allen wrench. I go inside, and now I give gentle push to the bolts, and here we are. Maybe you have a way better idea, but I was thinking that this might be worth to load it up. Have fun.